Hey guys, Dean here. So in today's dropshipping and e-commerce video, I'm going to show you how to check competitors' Facebook ads and how you can analyze the competition, have a look at how they're marketing all of their products and how they're making sales, and then how you can actually one-up them by using this data. So if you're wondering how other stores are doing well and you want to kind of take a little bit of a sneak peek at their marketing efforts, this is exactly how you're going to do it with Facebook ads. If you want me to make another video on this for TikTok ads, let me know in the comment section down below. So I'm going to be showing you the two main methods, and first of all we're going to be using the method on Miner. So Miner is basically a product research tool. You can click on the link at the top of the description down below to access this website, and basically we have an ad spy in Miner. Now you can use a lot of different tools which are very similar to this. In retrospect, all you need is just an ad spy tool or a dropship research tool, and I use Miner, so I'm recommending this one, but you can basically use any of them. And on Miner, under ad spy, there's something called Facebook ads, and under Facebook ads, this is where we can take a look at all of the trending different ads on the market. And I can also search this by keyword. So if I wanted to search pet or something like that at the top and press enter under Facebook ads, it will give me all of these ads which are related to pet products. Okay, so then I can view all these pet products, and if there's one that really stands out, like this dog bag for an example, I could click on this and it'll show me data about this dog bag. And if I scroll all the way to the top, I can see everything from the Facebook's ad copy to the actual video of the dog bag itself to analyze what they're doing with the ad. And then I can have a look at all of the engagement data on the ads that they're running. I can see all of the engagement trends over time on these charts based on the different things like likes and shares. And I can also have a look at ads from the same advertiser, which is the key here. So if I click on this will actually show me the other Facebook ads that they're running for different products and other things in their store, and I can do the exact same with those. So you can have a look at all the different products that they're using as their main flagship marketing products. We can also go to C Shops analysis. Now this is a little bit more advanced, but basically this scrapes all of the shop's data from platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest, but we're mainly focused on Facebook here. It'll scrape their traffic's data, analyze their product placements, and just give you a whole load of more information. So you can see we have data on audience targeting. It might not be able to give you all the full data, and it's also dependent on the plan that you have on Miner, which is going to be dependent on how much data you have here. But we can have a look at the timeline of the brand, the sales live feed, which takes a little bit of a while to load. We can have a look at their products, promotions and ads again, so all of the other promotions, what they've done on Facebook, what they're doing on TikTok, Pinterest, and with influencers if they're doing it in other metrics. We can also have a look at similar shops to find other similar competitors in that vertical. So this is really interesting. Now if we want to go directly to the ad, we could click on See Post, and this will open that directly in Facebook. So from Facebook we can go directly to their ad. We can see the same ad copy, we can see their sales copy over here with their offer, and also the link to their website. So you can see how they formatted the ad. We can see the engagement from Facebook actually itself, and then all the data down here. We can also click on add to list, so we can add it to our own research list to look at later. We can also click see product. So this is mainly for product research, but I may as well just show you this, and it will actually open up their website, and then we can kind of have like a little bit of a spy on their website and just see exactly what they're doing, right? Like what I said before, when you click on see post, this allows you to then go directly to their Facebook page, and then you can have a look at what else they're doing on their Facebook page. So this is some kind of like foreign store in Brazil, I believe, and you can see how they've laid out the Facebook page, how they're advertising it organically, and you can just take a look at everything like their Facebook shop. There's also another way that you can kind of spy on competitors. So if I just search for a random brand like Gymshark for an example, let's just search for Gymshark, very popular sports clothing brand, and I go on Gymshark's page on Facebook, we can kind of spy on what they're doing. So what we want to go ahead and do is, you can do this on any company or brand. I just chose a very large one that everyone knows about. Go onto the about page and then go down to page transparency, and this shows you more data about that brand, right? So if you click on see all, it'll show you more info, but here it says the page is currently running ads and who's responsible for it and just other data. If we click on see all, we can see it's verified, but what we want to see is if we scroll all the way down, the ads section. So it says this page is currently running ads, and it has ads that it runs about social issues, elections, or politics. So if I click on go to ad library, this takes us to Facebook's meta ad library, but specifically filtered to show us Gymshark's ads. So if you're spying on a different competitor's Facebook or brand page, you can look at their ads specifically directly from this method. So now we can see all of their ads which are active that their brand's actually running, probably ran by an agency since they're such a large brand. But we can see all of these ads here. So we've got ads with different athletes like David Lade that they've signed up to the brand. We can see ads with female athletes that they signed, and most of these are kind of collaborations with influencers who are actually on their partnership campaign, right, that they pay to actually promote the products, and some of the more generic kind of carousel ads which show off all of their range of products. So it's really interesting to see how these big brands actually run the ads and also scale them, because they're running a ton of different Facebook ads, probably in the hundreds, right? So we could probably spend a few hours just scrolling down having a look at them all, and a lot of them are the same, but they've duplicated the ad groups to obviously target different interests and different demographics, which is why a lot of them look the same, but they're targeting different people. So that's how we do that automatically from a page. But we could do it manually if we don't really know what brand we're looking for, or if we just want to see what people are running in general. So we could go to Facebook's ad library, we could select the locations. I have UK selected by default because that's where I originally created my Facebook profile in many years ago. I could go down to ad category and we can sort it here. I'm going to click on all ads and I'm just going to type in pets and press enter. Now, if you notice when I typed in pets, it did actually come up with some popular pet brands. So yet again, you can use this method to search for brands as well, like we did when we're on Facebook. So Pets at Home is a really big brand in the UK. So I could click on them and I could see what Pets at Home were running with their ads, because they're a very big pet brand. So if I wanted to make like a dropshipping pet store, I could try and see what actual big brands like Pets at Home are doing and kind of try and mirror what they're doing, okay? They're not running as many ads as big brands like Gymshark, but they are actually a really big brand that have real stores in the UK. But if I was just searching for the pets keyword, I can scroll down and have a look at all of these different ads. I can click on the pages of the brands and view more of their ads. I could click on see ad details, and then I can have a look at all of the information like the ad copy here. So the headline, the description, and the main body, for an example. I could copy the ad link. But I could have a look at real-time data about all ads here. So these are some really good methods. If you didn't know about these, make sure to like the video and comment down below. Ask any questions, feel free. All I ask is for you to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to check out my other videos on dropshipping and e-commerce, then feel free to do so, and I hope they help you out. There is some other methods to obviously spy on competitors on different platforms. I'll probably make them on like TikTok and maybe Pinterest in the future, but this is the main methods that people use to analyze competitors in the dropshipping and general e-commerce space if you're making a brand.